In this video, I'm going to teach you how to edit WooCommerce Order Received page. So in order to actually edit that, you first need to head over right here to your woocommerce.com and then click onto this Start Here option, or you can also click onto this login if you already have an account. If you don't have an account yet, head over and click onto this Start Here. Now, once we have done that, you can see in here your WordPress. So my WordPress is actually connected to WooCommerce, so in that way they're actually are essentially the same. So it typically has already a confirmation page. So you can find it by editing the order confirmation template inside it. In order to change it, head over here to the pages option. And then from in there, click on the all pages in order to show you in here all of the pages that you have. Currently, we have in here this checkout page, cart page, as well as some Elementor pages, as well as my account page. You can also hover right here to the WooCommerce option and then head over to the settings. And from in there, you can see in here we have the advanced option. So head over and then click on that. From in here, you can find in here this cart page as well as a lot more. We have in here this order receive, access endpoints as well. So for example, you can change up what it will look like for this. You can change its account ID, just add in here the 3 more characters. So you can actually or essentially edit it by going over right here to your pages and editing your shop page since it will be directly connected from there. You can also edit in your cart page. Just click onto this edit option and it will open in order to edit this particular website that you have on your actual part right here. So that's how you edit WooCommerce Order Receipt page. I hope this video helped you out.